Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Mobilus mobiWAN, a bone conduction, Bluetooth headset helmet, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your headset is not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if you're having any issues where it is not syncing or just not working right, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to just get everything cleared out and get this thing paired up like it's a brand new device, forgetting everything that it was paired to in the past, we can just go ahead and do that. It's very simple. All we're going to do is we're going to press the power button like we're turning it on, except we're going to press and hold it for a long press for about 5 seconds. And you'll know that it is done when it will actually have a voice prompt that will say reset, indicating that the Bluetooth has been reset on here and it's ready to be paired with a new device.